Hello Vladimir, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for this beautiful 2010 Maserati Grand Turismo. Vehicles is ready for a purchase or finance it. This vehicle has 88,980 kilometers and we're selling for 49,7888 plus taxes, fully safety certified. The vehicle is in our showroom. If you have some time, please give us a call. I will set an appointment and you can take a look at the vehicle. Beautiful interior color and shiny. Please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901 and I'll be happy to assist you for any question. Thank you.